In today's video, I will teach you how to make your own video in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the search bar, type in the keyword video. There are thousands of video templates to choose from in Canva's library, so if you have a more specific design in mind, you can enable the filters to find whatever design you are looking for. You can choose from different styles, themes, pricing, and color schemes to find exactly the design that you like. Just take note of the different tags attached to the templates. This crown tag means that you have to upgrade to Canva Pro in order to customize the design. You can also start from scratch by clicking on the Create a Design option on the top right side of the screen and type in Video to reveal the different size options for videos. But once you've found your desired template, you can now open it and start to customize it. You can enable the show rulers and guides as well as show margins and show print bleeds if you would like to be more precise in the placement of your elements. Now, simply go to the Elements tab and browse through the illustrations and graphics to make the design more personal. Canva also lets you upload and manage your media clips in the Uploads tab, then drag and drop elements and photos on your timeline. And use the text panel and add text with different font combinations and styles. You can also easily trim, split, and resize clips all within one editor. Lastly, you can polish your video with Audio Magic by adding tracks, sound effects, voiceovers, narration options, and music to your video. And once you're done, you can now save it to your computer and make sure to set the file format to MP4 before downloading it. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.